Hello viewers, my name is Dipti Mukherjee and today's topic is graph of a linear equation in two variables. I have already discussed about linear equation in two variables algebraically, and today I am going to show graphically. So Bittu, watch carefully.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1. Draw the graph of x plus y is equal to 4. Here x plus y is equal to 4. At first we have to make a table. x और y के लिए हमें खाना बनाना है. टेबल x0 y4, x4 y0, x1 y3 and x2 y2. Now we have to draw the graph. We just solve the equation. First put x is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 4. X is equal to 1, we get y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. From the equation. Now we have to draw the graph. Horizontal axis is x dash. Vertical axis is y dash. Now we have to draw some points 1, 2, 3, 4 in x axis and in y axis. All values are in plus, so we have to draw only plus, that is x in first quadrant. We have to draw the points only in first quadrant. Here 0, 4. So here y is equal to 4, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. This is the point. And now x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. And x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. And we have to draw a line which cut these points. So this is the line where this is 4, 0, this is 2, 2, x2 y2, here x1 y3, x1 and y3, and here x0 y4. Question number 2. Draw the graph of the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. Here x minus y is equal to 2. We have to make a table for x, y. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. And now x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. Now we have to draw the graph. Here horizontal and vertical line intersect on origin, that is 0, 0, origin 0, 0, and here x, x dash, y, y dash. And now we draw some points. Here -2, -1 in y, so we have to draw some negative points also in y axis. Here x axis we draw some points, and in x dash also we draw some points, and here negative y, and here y, some points. Now -0, -2 here, and 1, -1 here, -1. I'm guessing here to my eyesight, but we can draw this with the help of scale. And now yes, here with the scale we can see the point is here. So this is the line for this graph. Question 3. Draw the graph of the linear equation y is equal to 3x. Here y is equal to 3x. We have to draw the table. Minimum 3 points we have to write down here, and then we have to draw the graph. So here horizontal line and vertical line for x-axis and y-axis. So here I am drawing horizontal line and vertical line. Here x, x dash and y, y dash. Now some points we have to draw. Here all are in positive, so only we have to draw some points on first quadrant. Here, and in y we have to draw at least 6.6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. Now here is 0, 0 and 1, 3. With the help of scale we have the main idea, and then 2, 6. One, 3 something. Yes, that is very. Here 1, 3. Here now we have to draw a line from these points. And this is the graph. And the points are here 0 0 and here 1 3, here 2 6. Complete.